Apple's Watch Ultra is finally here. Check out features and price. Apple Ultra Watch has been made from aerospace-grade titanium to provide the perfect balance of weight, durability, and corrosion resistance. The case rises up to surround all edges of the flat sapphire front crystal, protecting the Retina display, which is up to 2000 nits, 2x brighter than any Apple Watch display yet. Apple has finally announced its most premium and rugged smartwatch for explorers. With a lot of new features on board. From a bigger case and display to a new action button, larger crown and battery, Apple seems to have kept the best for Ultra. Inspired by explorers and athletes from around the world, we created an entirely new category of Apple Watch designed for new and extreme environments. It's the most rugged and capable Apple Watch yet, said Jeff Williams, Apple's Chief Operating Officer. Apple Watch Ultra is a versatile tool that empowers users to push their boundaries with adventure, endurance, and exploration. 49mm titanium case. The Ultra has been made from aerospace-grade titanium to provide the perfect balance of weight, durability, and corrosion resistance. The case rises up to surround all edges of the flat sapphire front crystal, protecting the Retina display, which is up to 2000 nits, 2x brighter than any Apple Watch display yet. New action button. Rumors about the new button on Apple Watch were true, but this has been added only to the Ultra model. There is a new action button in high contrast international orange, which is easily customized for instant access to a variety of features. These could be workouts, compass waypoints, backtrack, and more. It also features a larger crown. New Wayfinder watch face. The Wayfinder watch face is designed specifically for the larger Apple Watch Ultra display and includes a compass built into the dial, with space for up to 8 complications. It can be customized for the mountain, ocean, or trail. 36-hour battery. Unlike a day's battery backup in previous general Apple Watches, the Ultra has the best battery life that can reach up to 36 hours during normal use. Additionally, a new low-power setting, ideal for multi-day experiences, can extend battery life to reach up to 60 hours. Rugged. The most rugged Apple Watch to date, this one is certified for the relevant aspects of MIL STD810H, used for military equipment, and popular among rugged equipment manufacturers. Apple says testing includes low pressure, altitude, high temperature, low temperature, temperature shock, contamination by fluids, rain, humidity, immersion, sand and dust, freeze, thaw, ice, freezing rain, shock, vibration, and more. To optimize for evening conditions, turning the digital crown makes the interface red for better visibility in the dark when using the Wayfinder face. It has been designed for water sports, including extreme activities like kitesurfing and wakeboarding, along with recreational scuba diving to 40 meters with the new Oceanic Plus app. To support these underwater adventures, Apple Watch Ultra is certified to WR100. New bands. Apple Watch Ultra also brings 3 new bands: Trail Loop, Alpine Loop, and Ocean Band, offering unique design features that provide a secure and comfortable fit for every adventure. Trail Loop Band is the thinnest Apple Watch band to date. The lightweight woven textile is both soft and flexible, allowing it to cinch to the optimal fit, and the convenient tab is designed for quick and easy adjustment. Alpine Loop Band features 2 integrated layers made from one continuous weaving process that eliminates the need for stitching. And Ocean Band is designed specifically for extreme water sports and recreational diving with a titanium buckle and corresponding spring-loaded loop. WatchOS 9. Apple Watch Ultra is powered by WatchOS 9, which includes new advanced running metrics to measure performance, like stride length, ground contact time, vertical oscillation, and running power. New workout views, such as segments, splits, and elevation, provide important metrics at just a glance, and thanks to the larger display, Apple Watch Ultra is the only Apple Watch that can show 6 metrics at once. Others. It features 3 built-in microphones to significantly improve sound quality in voice calls during any conditions. An adaptive beamforming algorithm uses microphones to capture voice while reducing ambient background sounds, resulting in remarkable clarity. It also houses the precision dual-frequency GPS that integrates both L1 and the latest frequency, L5, plus new positioning algorithms. Availability. Claiming to be an essential tool for anything, Apple Watch Ultra has been priced at 89,900 rupees and will be available for purchase in India starting September 23.